Pakistan has the world's largest irrigation system which covers more than 22 million acres of land. Pakistan has the world's fifth largest coal reserve, and it is also the home of world's second largest salt mines. In this video, I will explain 15 amazing facts about my country, Pakistan. If you are a newcomer, then it is request to you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get updated with such interesting videos. Pakistan is a country with rich history and culture, and there are many interesting facts about Pakistan. Here are some few facts. Pakistan was the first country in the world to have its own computer-generated postage stamps. Pakistan has the world's largest ambulance network, the ED Foundation, which operates a fleet of more than 1,800 ambulances. Pakistan is a home to the world's highest paved international road, the Karakoram Highway, which runs from China to Pakistan. Pakistan has the world's second highest mountain, K2, which is also known as Chagodi. Pakistan has the world's largest irrigation system which covers more than 22 million acres of land. Pakistan has the world's fifth largest coal reserves, and it is also the home of world's second largest salt mines. Pakistan has the world's third largest cotton growing region, and it is also a major producer of wheat, rice and sugarcane. Pakistan is a home to the number of ancient civilizations, including Indus Valley Civilization, which is one of the oldest in the world. Pakistan has a diverse range of landscapes, including mountains, deserts, forests, and coastal areas. Pakistan has a rich cultural heritage with a variety of languages, religions, and traditions. Pakistan is the world's sixth most populated country with a population of over 240 million people. Pakistan is the only Muslim majority country to have a nuclear weapon program. Pakistan has world's youngest Nobel Prize winner Malala Yousafzai. Pakistan has a diverse range of languages with over 60 different languages spoken within its border. Pakistan has a rich tradition of Sufi music and poetry, and it also home of number of famous Qawwali singers. Pakistan is a home to number of famous writers and poets including Faiz Ahmad Faiz and Allama Iqbal. Pakistan has a number of important mountain passes including Khyber Pass and Babusar Pass.